Hey guys, how you doing? Please subscribe and comment down below and like the video if you enjoy. We are gonna open this box and we're gonna do the thing that's inside of it. And by the way, we have no idea what's inside of it. This box is from Oxbow Meadows. Oxbow Meadows. So this is where
And I'm also 5 years old. And also, this is our first unboxing video, so I'm really excited. You do know how to read.
Oxbow Meadows.
Has to stand for
Learn, Play, and Explore. Let's get wild. Now let's open it. We're going to open this box and we're going to do the stuff that's inside of it and we're going to explain what is into it. So I hope you guys enjoy.
And remember, we might mess up a little. This is our first video of unboxing. And we definitely do not know what's in it. Yeah, it's obvious. We don't know what's in it. Rip it up. Just said that. Yeah, it's definitely.
This is kind of hard.
Oh. It's not going to break, guys.
We have this.
What are these for? These. Weird. I'm getting all the stuff of mine. That's it.
I'm reading the manual.
This is all about snakes. This is literally all about animals. What does it say? Stickers right here.
Oxbow Adventure. Welcome to your wildlife ranger field guide. This book will guide you through all of the exciting activities in your Oxbow Adventure Box. You will have select to be a wildlife ranger. Wildlife Tracking ID Guide. Use this guide to identify tracks.
Look at that. This is definitely crazy.
And a beaver or red fox. Have you ever heard of that thing, guys? Because I have not.
I'm definitely playing with this. Yeah.
Mission 2 works like this.
What kind of dusty
Sketch creature in the box to craft left to determine body parts. And you read this.
All right, y'all. Mission 2, creature creation.
You're napping. You're snapping. You're napping. You're snapping while you're napping.
You can't.
You almost caught it. Mason, catch. You didn't catch it at all. Dawson, catch. You caught it. Use your modeling clay, which is very soft.
And sticky.
Let's see if you can make a creature.
I forgot to say it's sticky.
And make a creature of any kind.
You can't copy too.
Go.
I got my creature. I made a puddle.
That's puddles are not. Guys, I have no idea what I'm gonna make.
All right, let's see what y'all are building.
I made a bear.
I'm not done yet, guys.
Okay.
I still can't find apple. I think I'm gonna be done soon. Apple.
I made a worm.
Oh, worm. Nice.
That's like the easiest thing to make.
I'm squishing my
need
eyes.
I made a sausage. A sausage animal.
Sausage animal? A warm sausage?
I made a snake. I made a snake.
Done, I made a snail.
So each time you complete a mission like we made, these cool animals.
I'm not even done, guys. I can't think of an animal.
And we made these cool animals, so mission 2. Mission 2, we completed this. We made multiple animals, but we didn't make these 2. But we're gonna be able to, we're all gonna agree on one pack and then put it on there, so you guys can.
But doesn't even have hands for this.
So guys, which sticker should we use? Let's use this one.
I'll make it. Why? I made it in.
You need me to turn the page for you?
What is it?
Here, give me the book.
I have the sticker. Sorry guys, we just need a moment.
It's right here.
So here's our badge. We got this. Now we know that we completed it. Now on to the next one. Hey guys, go to Oxbow Meadows website, buy this box. It's really fun. This is where we got all this stuff. So subscribe, turn on the notification bells, comment down below if you liked it or not, and bye.
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to our, welcome to our first unboxing. Hey guys, welcome back to
Hey guys, please subscribe if you enjoyed the video. We might have a part 2, we might not, but I hope we do. So comment down below, subscribe, and leave a like down below if you enjoyed. Goodbye.
Mommy!